What's up, buddies? Hey buddies, thank you for watching this video. If you're watching this video, it's because you want to make money online. And then if you want to make money online, it's because you want to help your wife and family to have a very good quality of life, which is something very, very, very awesome. And you should keep up, buddy. Okay guys, let's speak a little bit about, there is something that I saw, that they are making on YouTube. Go and see that in many channels. You're gonna see that many, how can I say, channels, the owners of the channels, the owners of the channels, they are always, how can I say, they are always asking questions, making questionnaires and asking questions to the subscribers, what type of video they want to make, what type of questions they want to be answered, or what they want to do. The reason that people are doing that, in these channels, the owners are doing that, it is because the owners of the channel, they want to know what kind of, how can I say, what kind of content, subscribers they want them to make. This is just like this. You have to understand one thing. It's like if you want to make a product. When you want to make a product or sell a product, you want to sell the best product to your customer. And how you gonna know if your product is the best product? You do that by asking them. You do that by asking them. If you ask your customer what kind of product that he wants, more likely he will tell you. And then you will manufacture the product and then you will sell to your customer. This is something that you guys should do too. Make sure that you always ask questions to your viewers, to your fans, to your subscribers, to everybody, so that you can have an idea of what kind of content that you want people that you can make. Okay, buddies? Okay, guys. Write your comments below and subscribe to my channel and check the link below so that you can learn how to make money online in a very effective way. And subscribe, click the like button, and I'll see you next video, buddy. Ciao.